Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, before I start this video, if you guys have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorials. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can see my Instagram here right now, and link is in the description. You guys can easily visit my Instagram. So guys, in this beautiful video, I'm going to show you a beautiful set of Arabic sheMAGH. So let's see how can we tie this beautiful Arabic sheMAGH. So give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.